Hey, what's up? All right, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna be trying to build this Flutter TikTok homepage. So the scrolling stuff basically that's what we're gonna be building. So yeah, I have the design on my phone currently because yeah, I spend most of my time watching TikTok. Deal with it. All right, so basically, if you like this video, please make sure you comment, subscribe, and yeah, just get into 1K subscribers. All right, so without further ado, you can see I have a Flutter project running already. So basically, as usual, we have to make some cleanup. All right, so let's clean up this stuff. So basically, first of all, we're gonna delete everything right here. Okay, right here. Then we're gonna call this. Let's just call it TikTok page. All right, so we are going to create a TikTok page here. So basically, this is like a one-screen stuff. A kind of single screen stuff. So you don't need to like stress yourself in ordering your folders or stuff. All right, so and this is a challenge. So basically, once in a while, I'll start posting challenge on how to design some stuff. So basically, we'll see if we'll be able to design it. All right, so you can follow along. I need a stateful widget. Come on, all right. So call it TikTok. What do we call this? So I'm just gonna copy this. We call it TikTok page. Right. So basically, you're gonna import package flutter material to that. Yep, and you're gonna return a scaffold. All right, inside the scaffold, we have a child. Let's read no, not sorry, not a child. We have a body. You can get as a text. Hello world. So save this. Nothing will happen because we need to import this URL. All right, save. And you can see we have our hello world at the top. Last but not the least, we don't need this thing data, so we can go ahead and do debug show material. No, debug show material banner. Show check mode banner. So make it false. So this banner is going to disappear. Good. All right. So the error for this is basically we need to just pass in const here. All right. Good. So let's go to my TikTok page. So the first one to do is set the app bar because basically there's an app bar at the top. So let's go ahead and do app bar. This app bar has two text in the middle, which is following and follow for us. All right. So basically to do that, we're going to go to the title. Let's take a look at this title. This title expects a widget. So we can go ahead and add a widget, which is a row. All right. So row here, then you can go ahead and add a text that says following. All right. We can copy this and you can say for you. So we should save this and take a look at that. Look at what you're having here. So what we want to do is center title to be true. All right. So it's going to be here. Where is center title true? Okay. Come on, that's not actually the error to it. Let's just try and add something like a size box here and see. Basically, if this doesn't work, we have to change our style. So, like I said, we're trying to see if we can build this. So, alright, so it's working. The center title doesn't seems to work. Um, title. Let's add it under the center. Okay, you know what? Let's remove this row and let's add a text instead. So let's add a text instead. Save this. All right, so it centers a text on its own. So it's not centering. So if I should try min as alignment the center, will that work? All right, good. So it's working out. So next one I'm gonna do is elevation should be 0. So we don't want the stuff that is here. Basically last but not the least, the background color should be black because why not? Yep, black. All right, beautiful. Basically, you can go ahead and add these background colors to be colors black. Let's make it black drop. I think that black is too black. I'm not sure if this is actually black, more darker than it, but yeah, I think this is okay. So the next thing we need is not actually last. Next thing we need is an action. So this action is going to take in a widget. So let's pass in a widget of icons dot search. All right, it's not search. Okay, let's search. So let's do const, save this. Good. So we have the search there. We can go ahead and increase the size. Let's make it 30. All right, good. So we can wrap the icon in a padding. You can see that it lets, so let's do right. I think sorry, only I think it should be right. So right of, let's say 20. Okay, all right, so that is good. So we've done with this. Next one I'll do is we want to add, now for the scrolling part here, so what we're going to be using is a page view. A page view. So what does a page view require? So a page requires a children of widget, so children, and we can go ahead and add a container, sorry. Can, we don't need to set a child, let's just do colors dot red. Save this. Because we have that. All right, so let's go ahead and do this container in like 3 places. Then let's make this green, yellow. All right, so basically if I should scroll to the side like this, you can see that is it. So we don't want it to be at this side. We want direction, scroll direction that which is axis dot vertical. So I want it to be vertical instead. So meaning if I should scroll like this now, we have the TikTok scrolling stuff. All right, so basically we are done with the functions and everything, and with the scrolling part. So next one do is add all the text on top. So where we have this container here, the first one is add a stack. So we're going to make use of stack widget. So after adding the stack, I'm going to first pass in a container. Now let's go ahead and give it the color, which is going to be colors of red. Save this. So we see have that. Then after that, what I want to give it is, sorry, is a column. Looking at we can just add a column here. Let's add it first here. Column. All right, so children, first version text, me. Save this so you can see we have it in that place. So it's tagged on top it. So let's go ahead and do positioned. Wrap it widget is going to be positioned. Let's do bottom should be 0. All right, so it's at the bottom there. And let's do left should be 0. Okay, let's do right should be 0. All right, cool. So that the right there. All right, so what I want to do is I want to first add a circle avatar. So this avatar I set a child, so let's do icons dot person. All right, and let's make this constant. Save this. So that is what we're going to be using for our user. Basically, let's see if I can change the background color. So let's do colors dot let's do white. Okay, I think this is okay. Basically, we have an image. You can add your image there. Then the next thing we need is actually a column also. So we need a column because we want an icons dot what is this cell I'm getting? Okay, yeah, so we can't use constant again in this place. So we have to pass in constant here. So for these icons here, we are going to use Cupertino because the am I spelling it right? Copper. Cupertino, right? Because the normal icons doesn't have art, this art this here. So it doesn't have this art icon. So that's when we use Cupertino. Then under you want a text that says, you know what, I'm just gonna give myself 1.3 million likes. All right, save this. You can see we have that. Basically we can make this big by saying 30. All right. And why not? So it is already liked already. Though I'm not sure we'll see it colors are red because we're on a red color already. This one won't work. So let's just leave it like that first. Then here, let's go ahead and do style import to text style. Text style, then do the font size. Let's make it 30 or so. Save this. Nope, 30 is too much for that. Let's use 20. Alright, so 20 seems a little bit good. Let's do cross axis alignment. So cross axis alignment should be start. No. Let's just center. Alright, so this should be okay. I'm not sure we need this center. So, alright, so it's the same like this. Then basically, when we have this column here, we can extract this as a widget. Sorry, extract this as a widget and call it icon and text. So let's cut this. So cut that. Inside here, let's create a widget folder. Well, the same supporting folders now. So let's do icons, icon text, that. Paste that here. So we need to import Flutter material this thing. So package Flutter material dot dat actually. So we need to import Cupertino also. Alright, good. So here we want to make sure we pass in final widget, which is icon, then final string. So our string is going to be text. So it's going to be required. Alright, so when we have this icon, I'm just going to cut it. So make sure we cut it also. I'm going to pass in icon here. And then when we have this 1.3 we'll pass in text. Alright, so I don't know that says, okay, yeah, we have to remove this constant here. So you can go ahead and add the constant here if you like. So save this. Now I have to go back to this page, import this. How am I doing that? Doing shift, control, then space. Import that. So once that is imported, so we have to specify icon. What I told you to copy, then we have to specify text, which is 1.3 million. So this is good for it's like reusable components in React.js. Okay, so we can go ahead and just copy this. So we need this in 4 places. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the next one you can just use let's see if they have comment. So no comment is here. Let's try message. Right, so there's no message. So let's switch back to icons dot message. Then let's see bookmark. Alright, bookmark is here. Alright, so it is filled in. Share. Share of underscore. Not this type of share actually, but you can make use of this. So if you save this, then you can see we have that. Okay, I just noticed that the colors are white. So let's do color. Sorry, can't I specify color here? Like I can specify color. I don't know why it's doing like that. So let's do colors dot white. Also the text are white. So that the text we have to do it inside the widgets we created. So I'm just gonna put all this here first. Save these. That should work. Then the text here, we can go ahead and do colors. Basically, let's just paste this. Alright, good. One last thing. So right where we have all this, we can go ahead and do something like sized box height of 10. Okay, height of 10 should be there. Let's save this. Let's make it 15. Right, good. So we can copy this, paste it here, and paste it here. Save this. Alright, good. I believe we should also add it under here so as to have some spacing below. And let's make this 130. Alright, good. Alright, so yeah, and also before that we should add it here too. Alright, good. And there's something about this user here. So this user here, we can write this user in a stack. Alright, in a stack widget. Then we can change this children to children. You know what? Instead of doing this, let's wrap this in a column. Then we just change to stack. So basically we don't need this constant again. Then we have to add it by ourselves. I can just add this one here. Then I have to add it everywhere. If you know a shortcut on how to add the cons directly like that, please comment down below. Alright, good. So we have that. So you have this tag. What you want to have is a container of a child that has an icons dot add. Of course, another error. So basically you have to put this here. Also here, nope, not there. Alright, so you have this container. So that is plus. Then inside this container, I want to go ahead and give it the decoration. Let's say box decoration. Then the color here I can see is let's make it colors dot. Let's make it red accent actually. Save. Alright, it is there. Then we can go ahead and do border radius dot circular 100%. Alright, so it is there. Then we can go ahead and make these colors dot white. Okay, then wrap this one in a positioned. Wrap it in a positioned. Let's do bottom should be 0. Alright, so bottom is 0. Let's make it 10. Minus 10 probably. Oh, okay, I think we should make it 10. Sorry, make it 0. I mean. Alright, so we can do left should be, let's say 10. No, let's say 40. 40 is it? Okay, 10. I think it's loading slowly. Right, 10. No, 10 is too much actually. Let's say 8. Okay, good. We need to push this down a bit. Let's say minus 3. You know the red is here already, so we should do minus 10. I think it's actually there, so let's change to something we can see yellow. Okay, it's not there. I think because we have to add uh we have to add this. Let's wrap this in a size box. And let's give an height of 100. Save this. Nope, this is not what we want actually. Then let's try and give this an height of 100. No, this is not. We need to okay, let's wrap this one in a container instead. Okay, the next do button should be 0. Let's make it 5. Okay, let's make it 10. 40. Too much. 30. Then 20 should work. All right, good. So since that is that, I think we don't need this, so we can make this like 4. All right, good. We can return this back to red. The yellow is too bright. All right, so we have that. I'm thinking I can wrap this in a padding and give it only right, because as you can see it is to the wall. So let's do 10. Oh wow. So let's undo this. Sorry, I think I'm doing something. Okay, save this. Basically we'll come back to that. Let's first try and finish up. Set this back to red. Sorry. Set it back to red. Then basically where we have this, where we created the column. So where we created that column, the column is what we will wrap with yeah, this is what we wrap with padding. So I should give it a padding of only left. Hopefully G should work. Oh sorry, right instead. All right, yeah, so it is working. So let's make it 10. All right, good. So we have that. What the next thing we want to have is next we want to have is the text. So I should go there and save text. Hello. So save. So we have this text right here. So this text right here, I want to make it bottom. So let's wrap this with a widget position. Save this. Then save bottom should be 0. All right, beautiful. So we have that. So the first thing we want to have is instead of it text, we want to have a column just like that. Children. We can go ahead and have a text that is sorry, the precious. Style should be sorry, style should be text style. Font size, let's make it 17.0. Font weight. Font weight should be bold, not bold actually. Let's say 500. So save these. Right, good. Then color should be colors dot white. All right. So we have that. Then the next thing we need is the tag that the person added. So we can just go ahead and do this. Then we can do Messi, king of football. Then we can have hash Messi hash FYP hash best. Yeah, so in case you want to argue with me, yeah, Messi is the best greatest of all time. You don't need to argue. Keep it. Cross, then is cross, add this alignment, start, save this. So we have that there, and basically this doesn't need to be bold, so we don't need it to be bold, and we don't need it to be the same. So let's do 15. Right, beautiful. So the same way you wrap this in a padding, and let's say only write 10.0. Okay, did that work? Oh, not right, sorry, left. Alright, only left 10.0. 10 is too much. I feel like it's too much. Let's make it 8. Alright, good. So basically, I feel like we can add another text to it. So let's just continue the hashtag. Or let's like you mentioned message somebody, message, yeah, message on TikTok actually. Hash CR7 hash I show speed. Speed hashtag the precious. Right, so let's take that out. Okay, good. I think it's more okay like this. Then only I believe we should add bottom to this also. 8.0. So initially at the bottom there's supposed to be like some kind of stuff. So I'm just skipping that. So the last one we need to do is the bottom navigation actually. I want to go ahead and do bottom navigation. We're using bottom navigation bar. So this takes in sorry, bad English. This is an item with his bottom navigation bar item. So for each item, we can go ahead and call icons. The first one is icons dot home. Hopefully there is a place like icons, or then we'll get an error that says we need at least 2. So we can copy this, paste this here. The next one should be friends. Okay, let's hit person. No, people. Sorry, save this. Okay, I think we need to add. Sorry, we need to add title. Not title actually. What is the name? I think it is label. So label will be same thing here will be label will be points. Okay, you can see we have that. Then initially you want to do selected selected item color. Not in item color with colors dot white, because our scalpel color is going to be black. So you want it to blend with that one. So black dot 12. Yep. Then unselected 2 is also basically white. So unselected is this, the next one is going to show now. Good. So we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. We're gonna do 5, 3, 4, 5. Then the next one is add, which is going to be post. We can go ahead and do add outlined. The next one is messages. Okay, inbox. So the inbox has that toolkit on the top. If you want to do that, you can make use of a star composition that we did for the profile. Right, so let's do message. Then the last one on the list is profile. Profile, we can call this person. Alright, so basically I can come over here and do constant. Alright, save this. What's happening if I should auto start? Okay, yeah, I think I know what's happening. Basically it won't show because initially it's supposed to be expecting just 4. So if I should like comment this, sorry, no, let's comment like 2 out of it. Yeah, you see, it's supposed to be expecting just 3. So the fix for that is you have to do fix type. Sorry, not fix type. You have to set in some stuff, which is, I do check it from here. Sorry. No. Okay, it's not here. I think. Why is it supposed to be there? Supposed to be. Hmm, give me a few minutes. Okay, I think it's just type. Yeah, type. So we can see the type accepts bottom navigation type. So this is going to be fixed. Save this. Yep. So there we have it. So if we should scroll, everything is there. So last thing that we need to do is now head over to this place where we have uh this tag. I'm going to extract this as a widget and I'm going to call this post widget. All right, so basically you want to call this every time. We're going to cut this, go to the widget, call this post widget dot that. Paste this here and let's do import package Flutter material dot that. And what else are we needing to import? Icon of text, then Cupertino. All right, so that is that. And the last we need to do is accept the color. So let's do final color BG color. So basically, if you're doing TikTok, it's not a background color you're gonna be using, it's actual video. So yeah. All right, so in this place here, it's just going to be BG color. Then right here, sorry, so right here, import it, then passing BG color to the that, right? Constant, and we can cut this one, so we can repeat it 2 times. This can be green and blue, so RGB. Right, so we should scroll, there we have it. And yep, so there we have it. We've done TikTok, we've done the challenge. So if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. See you next time. Peace.